roasted potato and our mayonnaise and everything loaded on there. Look, bit of veggie, bit of bacon, mayo, parmesan, our potato. How good does that look? Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a simple butter garlic roasted potato salad. Simple as that. Let's show you how to do it right now. Start of the show, we've got some potatoes. I've already washed them and cut them up. They're there in a bowl and we're going to chuck those in a tray in a minute. Onions and garlic. We don't want much onion. I've got one red onion and we're just going to slice and dice. So that's all we're going to do. Onion. Garlic, again, we're not going to do anything special with this other than back of the knife, smash, and then a couple of times over the top. We don't want to go and mince these too small. It's about the garlic. So that's our veggies. So we've got a tray. Now you would normally stick it in the oven, but I'm going to stick it in this so we can see what we're doing. Potatoes in. Oh, that went in with a noise. A little bit of olive oil in there. In with our garlic. In with our onions. Easy as that, really. In with a pinch of dried thyme. Now, you don't have to use dried thyme. I'm using it here because I'm going to use a bit of parsley and a bit of basil when we mix up the salad. And we want to go in with a little bit of salt. Now, this is fresh sea salt, actually. And then just give that a good turning over in there. Coat all those potatoes up in that oily mixture. We want to go in with some butter. Just put some butter in different places in top of there, because we are making a roasted garlic butter dish, so you've got to have butter in. And then all we need to do is we need to take our potato mixture and put in our oven. As easy as that. Now we're going to set this to about 180. And we're going to cook this until the potatoes are golden. Now, I'm not sure how long it will take in your oven or anything. You know, I think it's going to be about 20 minutes. Let's have a see. Okay, so we just want to knock up our mayo dressing while that's going. There's some mayo. I've got some mayo in there. And what we're going to do, we're going to add some Parmesan. Get some Parmesan in. And a little pinch of salt. Want a little pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Want about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and about the same of honey. And then what we need to do is just give that a mix in. Okay, so that should be sweet and sour with a bit of pepper. What we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of chopped bacon. I've already fried this bacon, so we're going to get that in there. Now, of course, you don't have to add bacon if you're a vegetarian. Don't put it in. And there's no point sending me a message saying, what can I put in instead of bacon? Just don't put any bacon in. And then what we need to do is put in some veggies. So I've got some fresh parsley and I've got some fresh basil. So what we'll do is we'll run a knife over the parsley leaves first. So that's our parsley. We don't have to go too bananas. And then we want to do some basil. Same with the basil. Run a knife over it. So that's our veggies. And all we need to do is add our veggies to our mayo mixture. So we've got about a tablespoon of each there, look. And all we're going to do is give that a mix in. So that's our mayo veggie bacon bits mix. All we got to do is stick that in the fridge and just wait until our potatoes are roasted. Oh, let's get these out of here. Oh, look at those. They look tremendous. Look at those. Absolutely super cooked potatoes. Right, what we need to do, we need to let these go cold completely. You know, they're sat in this lovely buttery mixture. I mean, you could turn those over in there if you wanted to coat them in that buttery mixture. Oh, look at those. They look absolutely superb. Right, all we need to do is let that cool down completely, and then we're going to add it to our mayo. Okay, so when our potatoes are cool enough, and these are, we want to add the potatoes to our mayonnaise mixture. So all we're going to do is scoop those out of there. Now, if you get a little bit of butter, it doesn't matter. So nice and gently, we want that out of there. Okay, we don't want all the oil and butter, but a little bit doesn't make any difference. And put in our bowl. And we're just going to give that a stir through. Now try and be a little bit gentle. We don't want to smash up all the potatoes if we can help it. Oh, look at that. That looks superb. And then all we need to do is serve that up. Oh, come on. Then all we need to do is sprinkle over a little bit more Parmesan. And if you like some extra bacon, a little bit of bacon bits. A little bit of black pepper, not much, we don't need much on there. And then we've got a little bit of parsley, put a little bit of parsley on there. Oh, how good does that look? And we've got a few little basil leaves, some fresh basil leaves in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Let's get stuck in here. Look at this. Roasted potato. And our mayonnaise and everything loaded on there, look. Bit of veggie, bit of bacon, mayo, Parmesan, our potato. How good does that look? Let's give it a go. That is absolutely superb. Now this is a winner, this. You know, this is superb for any party, any summer event, any barbecue. In fact, it's good on its own. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe and share with your friends. Catch you in the next video.